There is big news regarding crypto. The USA fined Binance $4.3 billion. Following this development, Binance CEO Zhao resigned. This is important news because every crisis brings a new opportunity. Let's look at the details. According to the announcement from the U.S. Department of the Treasury, Binance will face a penalty of $4.3 billion. The announcement highlighted that Binance allowed a series of illegal activities to take place on the platform by failing to comply with anti-money laundering and sanction laws. U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland reported that Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao personally presented his defense on the matter to the Western District Court of Washington. As part of the agreement, Zhao agreed to resign and pay a $50 million fine. In a post from his own account, he acknowledged his mistakes and the need to take responsibility, announcing his departure from the CEO position at Binance as the best course for both the company and himself. Zhao also indicated that Richard Teng, one of the company's top executives, will now serve as Binance's CEO. He emphasized that with Teng's experience of over 30 years in financial services and regulation, he will play a crucial role in steering the company through its next phase of growth. These developments might present an opportunity for the crypto world. Binance is the world's top crypto exchange, but following such news, individuals in the crypto space might shift a portion of their investments to different exchanges. Creating a diversified basket of exchange coins could be quite sensible for the future. Don't forget, every crisis reveals a new opportunity. It is a more logical choice to be one of those people who take advantage of every situation, rather than being one of those people who follow crises and get caught up in negative energy. We'll see how things unfold. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.